Why sunsets happen. Sunsets occur because Earth's atmosphere acts like a prism, bending and scattering light. This process is known as scattering. How scattering works. Light spectrum. Sunlight is made up of different colors, each with a specific wavelength. Blue and violet light have shorter wavelengths, while red and orange have longer wavelengths. Atmosphere as a prism. The atmosphere is filled with molecules and particles, like dust and water droplets. During the day, light passes through less atmosphere, so we see a blue sky because blue light is scattered in all directions. Why sunsets are different. Angle of the sun. At sunset, the sun is lower on the horizon. Light travels through more atmosphere, which increases the scattering effect. Selective scattering, Rayleigh scattering. This is the scattering of shorter wavelengths of light, like blue and violet, by molecules in the atmosphere. At sunset, these colors are scattered out of your line of sight, leaving behind the longer wavelengths, like yellow, orange, and red. Particles and molecules. At sunset, there are more particles like dust and pollution in the atmosphere. These particles scatter shorter wavelengths even more, enhancing the warm colors. Interesting facts. Different colors. The specific colors you see in a sunset depend on the composition of the atmosphere. Pollution and humidity can intensify the colors by scattering more light. Red sunsets. A particularly red sunset may indicate more particles in the air, often due to volcanic eruptions or wildfires. These particles scatter the shorter wavelengths and enhance the red hues. Cultural impact. Sunsets have inspired art, poetry, and cultural symbolism across the world. They often represent endings, beauty, and the passage of time. Why we don't see violet. Although violet light is scattered more, our eyes are less sensitive to it. The blue light dominates the sky during the day, making violet less noticeable. Conclusion. Sunsets are a beautiful reminder of the natural processes at work in our atmosphere. The scattering of light not only creates breathtaking views, but also helps us understand more about the environment and atmospheric conditions. Next time you watch a sunset, you'll know the fascinating science that paints the sky in such vibrant colors.